What's up guys, it's Jason from Eustis Roofing. We're walking a metal roof that we did. I'm going to show you, turn around so you can see it. This is a standing seam system, no exposed fasteners. It's got styration so you don't see the oil canning. All those little styrations here in the panel keeps it so you don't see the oil canning, really nice. But one of the things about this, pretty simple job to be honest with you. This isn't a real difficult metal job, especially for us. But where does it matter? It's your detail work right here, your flashings. And this is where the guys just killed it. It looks awesome, awesome. Typically on these roofs right here, this flashing here is all silver because it's from the vent, and then they just use this and they caulk it right here. What we wanted to do was get all the way up underneath here so everything is overlapped properly, and then we like to put a little fin to get the water away from your problematic areas. Just phenomenal job by the guys at ERC, Eustis Roofing. They did a great job. I'm going to show you guys the other one. You know, once again, I always say it, we have our own equipment, we have our own CNC machines, we have our own panel machine to make the panels. Like, we can do everything in-house with our employees, and that's how we can control the quality. I'm going to show you guys this flashing here. Same thing, just really nice flashing detail by the guys. You got some cool overlaps where they folded the metal, get the water out away from it. Just really proud of our guys. They do a great job. This is a aluminum roof system, no exposed fasteners, and it just turned out super nice. One of the things about this project is this is a local city of ours, and one of the things that we hate is when they use out-of-town contractors. And I'm going to tell you something about the cities here where I live. They use them all the time. They don't put the resources back into the community. They use out-of-state. They'll use people from South Florida, all over the place, to come put their roof systems on, and then when they have problems, they call us to come fix them. It shouldn't happen. It should not happen. There's plenty of great roofing companies in town that can do the work. You got a company like ours that has all the machinery, invest back into the community, into the people that live here. And so on this job, it's for a local city, and it's going to be a water park, and we were happy to do it. We love it. This is where my kids are going to come and play. This is where my family's coming. So it's super important to us, like just like any home that we do in our county. So why would you hire an out-of-town contractor to do the work? Because he doesn't care. He does not have the investment into the project like I do, where I'm going to send my kids and my family, and it's something that we're proud of. I'm also going to show you guys the flat roof system. Right here we put a TPO system on from GAF. And then what's cool about it is this system here, we made a special drip edge that holds the TPO to the wall really tight. No fasteners, it looks really clean. This has a 1/4 inch per foot taper on it so that we can get the water off the roof. Just a really cool system. It's really efficient as far as it actually reflects the sun solars so that you don't have the heat transfer. Really cool system. Awesome system. Thanks to the guys at Eustis Roofing for doing an awesome roof system.